Hello everyone. Today we have some fun Apple things to unbox. We are unboxing AirTags and related accessories. A keychain, 2 of those, and a leather loop. Oh. Actually, this might be the... Nope, that's the leather loop. There's the leather loop. And then we have a second keychain, but I'm not going to unbox that right now. And then we have the AirTags themselves. Paperwork and what looks to be like a bifold, or yeah, like a bifold and then that is one of the AirTags. So that is the AirTag. It's really small. People say it's about the size of a typical coat button. That seems a little bit bigger than a coat button to me. And then you just pull off the plastic tabs, or plastic part. That was what happens when you pull out the tab to set it up.
Close. AirTag heading. Headings. Containers. Audio button. Speed rate 70%. AirTag heading. Connect button.
You tap connect. It's literally just like setting up AirPods or any of their other magical fun stuff. So you tap connect.
Name AirTag heading.
Name AirTag.
Backpack. Picker item.
So you have a choice of different names. Backpack.
Bike. 111.
Bike.
Camera. 111.
Camera.
Handbag. 111.
Handbag.
Headphones. 111.
Headphones.
Jacket. 111.
Jacket.
Keys. 111.
Keys. Yep, that's the one I'm gonna use, but
Luggage. 7 to 11.
luggage.
Umbrella. 7 to 11.
Umbrella.
Wallet. 7 to 11.
Wallet.
Custom name. 7 to 11.
Custom name.
Custom name. 7. Wallet. Umbrella. Luggage. Keys. 7 to 11. Continue. Button. Register AirTags to your Apple ID. This will be associated with the personal information you have provided. Close. Button. Continue. Button. Continue. Button. Dismiss. Button. Daniel's keys. Heading. In progress. Now.
Whoa.
Dismiss. Button. Daniel's keys. Heading. Current location. With you. Precision finding. When AirTag is nearby, and will point to its precise location. Play sound. Find your AirTag by playing a sound from your iPhone. Directions and maps. View this AirTag on the map and use the maps.
So you can play a sound or do precision finding.
View and find my app. Button. Gun.
and you click
Done. Button.
either done or view and find my, but I'll go ahead and click done.
6:51 p.m.
There we go. And it has been set up.
Very easy.
Mm-hmm.
You gonna put it in the keychain?
Yep. What did I do with the keychain? There's so much stuff here. That is the... That's the loop. There's the keychain. So I believe all you do is you have to get this plastic off, but I believe you just unsnap it. Grab the AirTag, put it in there. And it snaps like that.
Yay!
And there we go. It's a very thick keychain, which I should have no problem putting on my keyring. And there we go. That is the unboxing and setup of the AirTags.
Thanks for watching.